Okay, so just starting off with my hair completely sectioned off and in some fat ass twist. I'm going to show you guys the products, which is going to be the Aussie Mega Moist. Y'all know I love this shit. It's bomb. The Miss Jessie's. Oh, this is the fucking reason why I stopped using EcoStyler. Like, no cap. This right here, you don't need it. What do you need EcoStyler for? Oh, and then you're also going to need a spray bottle to make sure that your hair is moist because your hair loves water. So why not? And a Denman brush or whatever you use to style your hair. Oh, and for the sake of time, we're just going to fast forward to the end. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't gonna have to repeat myself like 80,000 times or make you guys watch the same 3 steps like over and over again, because this is super simple. Like, well, the overall process with all of the twists takes a minute, but the steps are very simple. So I'm gonna be spraying my hair after I unravel the twist. I like to keep my hair moisturized. The water just makes it moisturized. I don't know like how else to explain it. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of this conditioner. So I add leave-in conditioner after I wash my hair, just regardless, but I add this as just like an extra cushion because I want my hair to use the hold from the styling product but also still be soft, because sometimes my hair can get kind of dry really fast, and so this just adds like a little buffer room to it. I'm gonna be working this product in hella because I need to make sure each individual strand is fully saturated. Now I'm gonna get a little bit of the Miss Jessie's. When I tell you guys, first of all, this stuff smells fucking amazing, and it has like a really kind of whipped butter texture, and it's really soft, and it's really creamy. It's not as creamy as like some of the other creams I've used. It's not like a cream, it's more like a souffle, like a butter kind of situation. And I really like it, and it works in my hair very, very well. And though it looks white right now, it doesn't leave flakes. So I literally use this instead of using EcoStyler from now on. I literally replaced EcoStyler. Now you see me just like adding water to this, and then I'm gonna work this product in, and then I'm gonna finger coil. And that's really it. So I work the 2 products in individually, and then I Denman my hair, and then I just finger coil this bad boy. Like, literally super easy. Like I said, it does take a minute on the whole process. Like, my whole head takes about 2 hours. About an hour and a half. I'd say like an hour and a half from start to finish. An hour and a half. But the results are worth it. Literally, my hair is always defined, and this lasts about a week. Like I said, it doesn't flake up nearly as fast as like EcoStyler does. Like, EcoStyler in my hair would flake up in about like a couple of days, but it would last me about like maybe a week. This will last me about a week and a half. And after about that time, then you'll start seeing little flakes, but not nearly as much as I had with EcoStyler. And you don't get that weird gel cast, so I like this shit a lot better. And like I said, it smells amazing, guys. Like, it literally smells so good. So right now you're gonna be looking at me finger coiling it. So I just take each little section of hair, just where it naturally separates. I don't try to like make super big curls or super small curls. Like, I just kind of take them wherever they separate, and then smooth the product in a little bit, and then I just finger coil it. So just like that, just like that. Now I'm going to be giving you guys a close-up so you can see what's really going on. Okay, so here it is again. Like I said, it's super simple, but the first thing I'm gonna do is unravel the twist. I'm gonna spray my hair with water. I'm gonna add the conditioner to it. I'm gonna work that in really well, making sure that it gets all in my hair because I wanna make sure that I keep that moisture. And then I'm gonna add the Miss Jessie's curling meringue. That, like I said, just gives it the hold, it gives it the definition, and then I'm gonna finger coil. That's it. And just repeat those steps the entire time, and you will have your hair looking just like this. And this is the finished product. I'm just gonna shake it out just to get the curls like activated and further separate them. But yeah, this is it. This is my curly hair routine.
Okay, well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.